Morning everyone. This class is about neural control and coordination. Let us go into the class. Do subscribe this channel for the further classes and share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for the NEET. See, today we are going to see the nerve control and coordination or neural control and coordination. So under this topic there are different subunits: neuron and nerves, nervous system in human, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and visceral nervous system, generation and conduction of nerve impulses we are going to see in this class. Let us see what is nervous system. The nervous system includes the brain, the spinal cord, as well as a complex network of nerves. And the system sends messages from the organ to the central nervous system, as well as from the central nervous systems to the various organs. And the main organ of the nervous system is the brain. Brain controls the complete activity of the human being. And if you are taking the neural system in human, the neural system are of two, that is the central neural system and the peripheral neural system. What you are seeing here is a central nervous system, that is the main organ is the brain and the next organ is the spinal cord, and these two are connected by a stem. So this is the central nervous system. In short form it is called as CNS, that is central nervous system. Central nervous system or central neural system. And if you see this one, this is the peripheral nervous system, that is it's a network of nerves, and it runs from the central nervous system to the peripheral region of the body. So it is called as peripheral nervous system. Again, if you are seeing, this peripheral nervous system is divided into two types of nerves. One is afferent nerves and the next one is efferent nerves. So afferent in the sense it takes the message from the outer region of the body to the central nervous system, and the efferent fiber which takes the message from the central nervous system to the different parts of the body. So you have to keep this in mind. Afferent in the sense from external part of the body to the central nervous system, and efferent in the sense central nervous system to the external, or external in the sense the other body parts or other organs or other tissues. So coming under the human neural system, there are two. One is central neural system and peripheral neural system. Central, I told you, the brain as well as the spinal cord, which is connected by a stem. This is this is the central neural system. And if you are taking the peripheral neural system, it is a network of nerves which connect to the central nervous system. And if you are taking the peripheral neural system, again it divides into two type of nerves. One is afferent nerves and another one is efferent nerves. Afferent nerves take the message or send the messages from the other tissues or other organs to the central nervous system, and efferent fibers which takes the messages from the central nervous system to the different parts of the body. And coming to the next one, the PNS, that is peripheral nervous system. Again it is divided into two types, that is somatic neural system and the automatic neural system. What is somatic in the sense? Somatic neural system, the impulses from the central neural system, the impulse which takes from the central nervous system to the peripheral region, that is somatic region. Somatic in the sense skeletal muscles. So the somatic neural system, it takes a message from the central nervous system to the skeletal muscles. And autonomic neural system, what you are seeing here in autonomic neural system, what happened in the sense, it transmit the impulses from the central to the involuntary organs. So the autonomic neural system send the messages from the central nervous system to the different organs, internal organs, that is involuntary muscle. Voluntary muscles are, the skeletal muscles are called as voluntary muscles, and internal organs, heart, kidney, lungs, okay, and digestive system, everything is involuntary in action. So it is under the control of autonomic nervous system. Automatically the function will be done. It is not by our control. But skeletal muscles are under our control, so it is called as voluntary action. It is under our willpower. Okay, under our willpower that happens. Which one? The voluntary action. Involuntary action in the sense internal organs, kidney and other all the other organs, heart, lungs, okay, digestive system, ovary, okay, that is everything is involuntary in function. It is not controlled by our willpower, so it is called as involuntary muscles. Okay, all those muscles are take care by the autonomic neural system. Okay, and if you are taking this autonomic neural system, it is also further classified into two types. One is sympathetic and another one is parasympathetic. So let us see the thing in the later part. And another one, if you see, it is visceral nervous system. It's a part of the peripheral nervous system only, but that comprises the whole complex of the nerves and fibers, ganglia, fluxes, by which the impulses travels the central nervous system to the viscera, and from the viscera to the central nervous system. So that is visceral nervous system. Okay, and if you come across the nervous system, this is the complete one in a portrait I have given here, and this is what you are seeing here is the neuron, that is multipolar neuron. Can you see, this is one pole, this is another pole, so it is a multipolar neuron, and this is the axon of the adjacent neuron. Okay, and we will see in the next class very clearly. And let us see here, central nervous system consists of three parts: the brain, the spinal cord and the brain stem. Okay, the brain and the spinal cord are connected by the brain stem. Okay, the brain, if you see, there are three parts of the brain: the hindbrain, midbrain and forebrain. And the spinal cord, if you see, the column of the nerves between the brains as well as the peripheral nervous system, and a brain stem which connects these two. Okay, coming under the peripheral nervous system, it is autonomic as well as somatic. I told you the autonomic is not under our control, it is taken by the central nervous system. Okay, so automatically all the organs, internal organs, involuntary muscles, okay, are under the control of this system, autonomic nervous system. Okay, the heart action and respiration, digestion, and the people, that is eye control, everything, contraction, relaxation, everything will be controlled by the autonomic nervous system. If you come across the somatic nervous system, I told you already, the skeletal muscles are under the control of the somatic nervous system. Okay, this autonomic is again divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic. What is the function of the sympathetic? In the sense which prepares the body for the action and stress. This is called fight or flight. See, sympathetic nervous system, see, for example, if any animal is chasing you, in the sense you immediately run from that place, isn't it? It is called as flight. If it is a smaller say dog or cat, if it is chase you, in the sense you fight against the dog or cat, isn't it? So it is under the control of which system? In the sense it is sympathetic nervous system. And what is parasympathetic? In the sense calms the body and helps the body to conserve the energy. See, if you are fighting with your friends and automatically your energy rises, your respiratory level rises, heartbeat rises, so it is not good for the body, so it has to be calmed down. Okay, it has to be calmed down. So what you are doing, you are fighting with your friend, in the sense automatically your body parts get heated up, so all those should be immediately calmed down. Okay, that is taken by the parasympathetic nervous system, so it calms your body and helps the body to conserve the energy. Okay, so you can see in this, see how the brain is functioning. We can see, this is the cerebrum and this is the cerebellum. Okay, cerebellum, and what you are seeing here is the stalk, that is brain stem. and this is a smaller part of the brain, and it is made up of gray and white matter, and it is made up of neurons only. Why it is folded? In the sense, millions and millions of neurons are here. So see, you can see here the message are transmitting from the cerebrum to cerebellum. Okay, the bigger part is the cerebrum and the small part is the cerebellum. Okay, the larger part of the brain, and this is the smallest part of the brain. So the message from here passes through to the cerebellum. From the cerebellum it is to the stem, and through the stem it is to the spinal cord, and from the spinal cord it reaches the organs through the nerves, the complex nervous system, that is peripheral nervous system. Okay, so in such a way the messages are passing from brain to the organs, and from the organs to the brain. The brain decides and sends the, see, for example, if any dog chase you, sometimes if the dog is so ferocious in the sense, you run out from that place, isn't it? So your eyes are sending the message to the brain that dog is chasing you. So the brain immediately send the message to the skeletal muscles to run as fast as you can. Okay, so if you run as fast as you can, then only you can escape from the dog. Okay, so such a messages are such a message are sent by the brain to the skeletal muscle. So according to the condition of the messages, the brain reacts. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this class. So subscribe this channel for the further videos, as well as send this video to your friends, share it to your friends, those who are preparing for the NEET. Thank you so much.